me worry, Papa. I know you want stop. Mommy.
What? What you doing in here? You done brushing your teeth?
No.
Okay, well then brush your teeth then.
No.
Use the rail. Alright, we are walking Bali, our little Yorkie. And we actually had a change of plans today. I am about to drop her off at her Gigi's house, aka my mom. And then I'm gonna do my thing. I couldn't pass up the opportunity.
Gimme.
You wanna hold Bali? Okay, let me hold this while you hold her. Alright, let's go. She wanna hold my hand. Alright. So we are taking the dog on a walk. And then I'll check with y'all in a second. So again, welcome to All Things Duncombe. I'm just getting my daughter ready for the day. This is part 1 to my vlog series. Pretty random day, but I'm just taking you guys on a typical Thursday of my summer. Alright, so change of plans. My mom called. I don't know if I said this already, but my mom called, so I'm about to drop Zaylee off. Where we going, Zaylee? Gigi house? She being rude. She probably irritated because it's hot out here. I don't know if you guys are from Houston, been in Houston, visited Houston, but baby, it is July 16, 2020, and honey, this heat is disrespectful. Thus is why I have nothing on my face, because I would literally melt. So we're on the way to my mom's house, and I'm gonna let y'all see my little drive. Ready to go. Say hi to the camera. What? Say hi to the camera. I'm vlogging for YouTube. Say subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hey, mommy. Hey, girl.
Hey. Say subscribe, like, and comment. Say All Things Duncombe. What's your name? Zaylee Duncombe, that's right. How old are you? This many. 2. Are you about to chill with Gigi today? You look cute. Can I get a spin? Let me see you, girl. What you got going? Let me see you. Hey. You cute. I didn't choose her shoes, y'all. She chose her shoes, and I couldn't get her to put the shoes I wanted to put on. So, hey, let the kids have some creative expression, right? What? You got too much going on. There you go. Come on, let's get in the car. All right, y'all, let me set her up. About to set her up, and then I'm gonna do my thing. Mommy is free for today, okay? I'm literally sweating from just getting out of my car and putting Zaylee in the car. That's sad. That's sad. That's real sad. But anyway, so I'm free for the day, free of mommy duties. Well, just till later on. And honestly, I don't really have a destination. I don't have nothing to do. If you know what I do, then you know that I am off for the summertime, so I'm free with no friends, because all my friends are either at work or out of town, and my husband is at work, so I have like 2 hours to blow while I'm waiting on him. So let me just say, small disclaimer, if the camera gets to shaking, that's because Houston needs to do better with their roads, and they're very bumpy. So there's nothing I can do about that. Disregard that. At the first location, it's a little inexpensive clothing store that I normally go to. I haven't been here in like a long time, so I'm gonna see what they got. You know, I hate wearing this mask, but you know, y'all know what's going on. So I may film a little bit in there, I'm not sure. I'll show y'all a little bit of the inside when I get inside. Just in case y'all thought I was BSing, look at the temperature, y'all. When I say it's hot, I can't make this up, y'all. I gotta just sit in the car for a second and get it together.
5 hours later.
All right, let me show you what I got real quick. Excuse me. First and foremost, okay, no, I'm gonna show that last. I got a little shapewear. Obviously, I'm not gonna show y'all trying that on. And then I got a little swimsuit cover up. It's these mesh shorts. And then the top is see-through. So that's it. I was gonna get this dress, but it was too much for me, and the quality was a little too expensive for me. So anything about it there needs to be cheap, because that's the quality. It's a cheaper quality, so I'm not about to pay something expensive. But guess what? This is the best buy right here. Because guess what? Black Lives Matter. Period. Okay?
Period!
So if I get nothing else, I was going to get this mask. I'm finna wear this mask anywhere else I go for the day. Sorry, Steelers. We'll deal with y'all later. But yeah, y'all, I mean, here I am back in the car with nowhere to go. So, y'all see I'm talking with my hands because I got my nails done.
whenever I get my nails done, I'm gonna be doing all this. You're gonna get all of this so you can get into it. But anyway, I'm back in the car, like you already see, and I'm headed to my next stop. So I'm stopping at AutoZone because I know my husband needs some new headlights. So, and I got a gift card to AutoZone. So I'm gonna see if they have what we need. You see it? I know you see it. It's a little small for my big head, but it's okay. We're gonna rock it. Let somebody check me. Who gonna check me, boo? So, AutoZone, I love it when people can get me in and out. That was real quick. I got exactly what I needed, and now I'm about to go in my little shoe store. It's all $9.97 shoe stores. This is another hidden gem that be getting some real cute shoes from, and they have my size because I wear like a 10 to 11. And the other store that I went to, they didn't have, they normally have the smaller sizes. So that's another reason why I like this shoe store. So let's see what they have. See, hubby's off work. He tired. But yeah, I had to come home because, baby, it was far too hot. Far too hot. That heat said come home. That heat said come home. Go home. So we about to go out in a minute and make a little run or whatever. I will keep y'all posted. I'm just letting y'all know I had to stop at home because Houston is too hot. All right, we in the whip again. Say what's up, Chef D.
Wagwan.
And Sally in the back, you know what I'm saying? Making moves to the next location. So y'all just ride with us.
Run, Jai.
My favorite beauty supply store in the city, Beauty Empire Plus, and I'm here all the time. Finally home, and I thought I didn't have much to do today, but it ended up being a whole lot of me and hubby. Say hey, boo.
Hello.
We ended up having a pretty productive day. It was almost like a date. So we went to the beauty supply store, got some things, reviews coming soon. Went to AutoZone, we got some things that we really needed for our cars. Been needing, finally got that done. Look at my hair sticking out. What else? Oh, DD's. We went in DD's. If y'all don't know what DD's is, it's like a Ross or a Marshall's. Got a couple little quick pickups. That was cool. And yeah, that's it. And we got something to eat. So I'm gonna end this vlog, y'all. I know it's pretty random. I know it's pretty random, but I just felt like I need to check in with you guys. I have a lot of videos, hair videos coming this week, and also I'm gonna do a couple reviews on some tools that men can use as well. So lots of stuff coming soon. Thank you guys so much for being so supportive, watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you next time.